Here I have Microsoft Surface Pro 4 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device and how to bypass password or other screen lock methods on the following tablet, so how to remove the Windows account also. So you have to have the keyboard connected to your PC. As you can see here, I've got my keyboard. This keyboard is connected right here. It could be any keyboard, and right now you have to start holding the left shift on your keyboard. This is my left shift key, and while holding this left shift, let's use the Windows options, the power options, and choose restart. So let's keep holding the left shift and let's restart your device. Right now you can release shift, and as you can see, the following blue screen pops up. So here you need to choose troubleshoot, and now let's choose reset this PC. So now let's decide either you would like to remove apps and settings and keep your personal files. It is enough for this operation. It will erase your account and the password protection, or you can remove everything, so you can remove your personal files, apps and settings. In my case, let me perform the full reset operation, so let's choose remove everything. The device is preparing operation. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And here you have to decide either you would like to just remove your files, or you can also fully clean the drive. The second option might take even a few hours, but it is harder to recover your data. It is good if you would like to sell your device and you would like to have the certainty that nobody can recover your data. But if you are doing just for yourself, just to reinstall the Windows and have a fresh start, you can choose remove my files. So the first option right here. Alright, so resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC, any apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, and any changes made to settings. It's also good to connect your device to a charger. So let me do it. Let me connect my device, because this operation may take a few minutes and maybe more, so you have to be sure that there is enough power and battery. So now let's choose reset, and the Surface is performing the hard reset operation. Let's just wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Let's wait until the welcome panel pops up on the screen. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.